Good morning, and what a beautiful morning it is today. Beautiful spring morning, and it's race week. I never thought I'd say that. I never thought I'd say it's race week at 41 years old at BSB, and man, I've just felt I've got this new motivation, this new reason for living, just to get up in the morning. I love it. I'm loving life at the moment, and round one is, well, we leave for round one next tomorrow. Testing Thursday, and then the race weekend. So this morning we're going to go and pick up the race bike from Boss Dog in Redhill, my old stomping ground, and yeah, these guys have been wrapping it, so no idea what it looks like. This is the first time I'm going to see it. I haven't seen any pictures, nothing like a bit of lastminute.com, and then I'm going straight to JHS to fit springs, brake pads and everything else. So let's go along for the ride. So, Mr. Bossman, Luca, mate, that looks so good.
Cool.
You happy?
Yeah, love it. Yeah. Yulia designed it. She's over there. But yeah, we ran out of chrome, as I told you. But
Hey, there's still a nice amount. There's still a healthy amount of chrome on there. I think we're good. It's definitely going to. It's definitely going to pop. I mean, the camera does not do that justice.
the wheels look good as well, don't they?
Yeah, proper supermoto spec. I love that. Yeah, it's a time-consuming process, isn't it? As you mentioned earlier, it's not as easy as a car. You were saying.
No, not at all. No, not with all the curves on a bike. It takes a lot longer than a car. Cars pretty much flat panels. Yeah, bikes are all over the place. You've got to get wrapped right around the edges. They take some time, and then also stripping them down. You've got to take all the plastics off.
Right. Okay.
To get it right around the edges, but yeah.
And that's not the easiest shape, is it?
Definitely not.
No,
not at all. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of nice, as it were.
Well, I mean, look, hopefully it won't go down the road, but it might go down the road. So you might have another opportunity to put some more chrome on it.
Yeah, if you do, then I'll buy some chrome and we get some more chrome in there. Yeah. But the chrome is also like really hard to work with because it's really stiff material. So with the chrome, you have to put in sections where normal vinyl you can stretch it. Okay. But it's like trying to stretch tin foil, you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't happen.
Yeah.
So you have to put sections in, but yeah. So on here, so we printed onto the chrome. So the printer upstairs, we printed it all onto it, and then put a clear film over the top, laminate over the top. But once that's out in the sun, that's going to really shine. Yeah.
Oh mate, thank you so much. It looks amazing. So yeah, come and show Boss Dog some support, and yeah, come get your bike wrapped. This is literally anything goes, isn't it? Really.
Yeah, and we're starting a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
We've got one, but we've neglected it for about 2 years. We're going to start doing that again and sort of showing people tricks about to, work vinyl and everything. More educational as well. Okay.
Well, I'll put a link in the description, and
cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you.
Let's go racing.
Cool.
Who is that then?
This sexy devil.
Yeah.
See the slimness?
Yeah.
Is me.
And that's never William.
That's a horrible little thing over there.
What do you reckon of the KTM the BMW F900 then, Rick?
Very futuristic looking.
Yeah.
In relation to the orange. Reminds me of another manufacturer.
Is it?
Yeah. So,
job list today. We've got some brake lines because these standard ones are not MCRCB spec. We've got some brake pads, which I'll get to in a second. We've got some wheels, the spare wheels in there need to fit makeup. Yeah, and we've got the Fat Boy springs and some HGV springs, as William says. Thanks, Will. What's this shocking? What's this? Have we got a spare spring for that then, or not?
No, I got one the same weight as that.
Oh, flipping Nigels.
That's when I used to do bagger racing.
Bloody hell. Jack of all trades, isn't you?
Yeah. This is nostalgia, Eric. Look at that.
25 years?
No, 26 actually, but I could only get 25.
Got to cheat, did you?
Got cheap. Oh, weird. Nothing's cheap anymore, is it?
No. So, to get to the fork springs, you've got to take the handlebars off. And, yeah. I'm not sure what's in there. Whatever it is way too soft, so... right.
They weren't tight anyway.
Really?
No.
What, is that supposed to be loose?
Yeah, that's fine.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want to give Alistair the tools to take to do this? Because we've got tools upstairs.
You got them in your...
I got
Actually, no,
fanny
they're,
pack.
they're in the van.
In your fanny pack. Oh, nice light, mate.
Yeah, come on then.
Alright, we're going to need Andrew.
No, we don't.
Do we need a big boy?
No, we don't. Come on.
It is heavy.
He's heavy.
It's heavy.
You're going to crush your fingers if you put them under there.
No, I'm not.
I'm not taking
Okay.
you to A&E.
Go.
Oh, his nails. Look at him. His nails. Whoa!
Boy.
Yeah, whoa, big boy.
There you go.
Go on, big
How's
boy.
it?
There we go. That's what yeah, so I can
bring
pick it
that.
up. 9.5.
Is it?
Yeah.
Spare wheels at the boxes. Got a bit of discs on and the wheel speed sensors. And they're black. I don't know if I prefer the black or the silver. Now it's in this trim. I think I prefer the silver. But you know, I'm not fussy. Well, things just got serious. Things escalated rather quickly. A bit too quickly for my liking. Good job we got Andrew on the case. So, yeah, to get the brake lines off on all the ABS shit, we had to take the tank, the airbox. Don't mind us, Derek. We've had to take the airbox tank just to get to the pump, and this is the bit I don't enjoy. If we had a week to go, I wouldn't be bothered. But seeing as we're leaving tomorrow, then it's just a little bit of a stressful antics. Oh, and we've got to fit a baffle as well, because apparently they're too noisy, which just absolutely rogered it. Thankfully, Andrew's on the case. He's an expert brake line maker, so he's on the case. Beautiful. I mean, it just utterly ruined it.
There you go.
You in?
Yeah, I'm in there.
Cheers, Babs. It's going to sound like a bag of shit now, isn't it?
I think it'll sound like a baby being strangled.
How do you know what they sound like? We can't talk about it on YouTube, actually.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, things have got a little bit later than anticipated. James is still working. I'm still working. It's about 6 o'clock. I should be home packing the caravan, packing the van. But as you know, we're a slightly heavier rider. We're not a elite pilot anymore, and we have to do all the time we're going to make up. It's like Marquez. Basically, I'm Marquez, so all the time that's going to be made up is on the brakes, and that's the only hope really, because we're going to be losing quite a bit of time down the straights. Anyone over 80 kilos at Snetterton, Silverstone, and most tracks to be fair, are going to struggle. So what we have got is some Z04s. And anyone that knows the brake trade, I mean, Z04s are the go-to pad. A lot have tried to imitate, a lot have tried to copy, a lot have tried to be a Z04, but you cannot be a Z04 without being a Brembo Z04. So these are, I believe, the same pads fitment as the previous S1000RR. So plenty of availability, and a shout out to Bike Talk Racing. So they're the UK distributor and what are they, Rick? Distributor and
Jolly nice chap.
Jolly Nice Chaps. Yeah.
Jolly nice chap.
Anyway, yeah, they are full Brembo. So go and see those guys if you want some Brembo. Like I said, if you want serious stopping power, then there's no point fucking about. Just get some Z04s in there. So got some Bike Talk Racing stickers to fit on. Sure we can make room for some somewhere. Somewhere. To be brutally honest, the standard pads aren't that bad, but they're not Z04s. Got to put the seat on, I forgot.
What's this thing here?
That's the seat unit.
Oh, that goes on as well, does it?
Yeah.
Do you screw that on before you put this on?
No, you put that on. Just make sure, yeah, can see it there. Lovely. Well, Z04s are in. Assuming that they're not too good, and they don't flex the chassis and don't really upset the apple cart that much, then we're going to be in for a treat. And then that goes on there.
An assortment of different screws.
There we have it. The day is done. The bike is done. The baffle was in. The brake lines are on. The pads are in. The numbers are on. Got to figure out a camera mounting. But we are 99% there. And looking forward to taking you for the ride, boys and girls, because like I said, I am pumped for this one. I'm super excited. Thanks to everyone who's made it happen. Obviously, particularly Pyramid, White Dalton, JHS, and you guys. Thank you, Ricky.